That's why, for example, the first time in the entire Tanakh that the word Yehudi, Jew, appears is in Megillat Esther. And that Yehudi is Mordechai Yehudi. Mordechai was the Jew. Why is, they say, or is Mordechai Yehudi? Why Mordechai Yehudi? Why didn't they just say Mordechai? Obviously, we would know he was a Jew. Because Mordechai was visually Jewish from far away because he had long and big, fat peot, just like, I have, but magnified much, much more, that even from far away, you were able to see that this is a Jew that's coming. There's no way that this guy is not Jewish, because obviously, especially in those times, it was very difficult to determine who's Jewish based on clothing, because the clothing, everybody had similar clothing. They had the tarbush, they had the kaftan, they had, similar clothing. So how can you tell this is a Jew and this is an Arab, this is a Persian, this is how would you know? The way that was Mordechai and the Jews showed themselves as Jews was their peot. That's why these are called also simanim, signs. So Mordechai the Jew, first time in the Torah that the word Jew appears is in Megillat Esther.